Today I'm going to show you how to paint realistic water drops with gouache. We will start with a thin white outline just to get the basic shape down. Since the light is coming from above in my example, the drop casts a shadow at the bottom edge. I'm mixing a darker version of the background color for this. Here it's a mix of green, blue and a bit of magenta. Super important, don't use black, it ruins the depth and makes everything look muddy. Make sure to blend the shadow out so it looks nice and soft. I'm brightening up the bottom inner edge with some white, keeping the transition soft. Right in the middle I will add a crisp white reflection. On the opposite side, the top, I am adding a second little light hit, just a bit away from the edge. Now I am mixing a dark shadow color for the upper inner side edge. Looking back, it probably would have been easier to paint the shadow first and then add the highlights. Sometimes my brain just likes to make things complicated, but that's the great thing about gouache. We can always go back and make corrections. To really bring the drop to life, I'm mixing a light blue. I will paint this on the left side inside the drop to mimic the reflection of the blue sky. This tiny detail makes all the difference. Now we just repeat this process over and over until we have a leaf full of beautiful dewdrops. If you want to see the full video with all the details, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you don't miss any further tutorials.